Hey guys, Megan here, and today I'm going to show you how to post on Instagram. To begin with, you're going to want to open the Instagram app. Once you're in Instagram, you're going to want to tap on the plus at the top of the screen. This is going to take you to the post page. So once you're on this page, you can choose if you want to post to your feed, to your story, if you want to make a reel, or if you want to go live. I'm going to post to my feed. So now you have to choose what image you want to post. I'm going to choose this sunset. So now that I've chose my image, you can use 2 fingers to zoom in and out to get the crop that you want. I think I'm going to crop it to right there. And so now that I'm happy with my crop, I'm going to tap on next. Okay, so now this screen is going to allow you to choose a filter. You can choose one, you don't have to. Instagram has a bunch of them. I'm going to use Hudson. So now that I'm happy with my filter, I'm going to tap on next. Now this page is going to be where you can put a caption, where you can tag people, you can add a location, you could post to other Instagram accounts, you can hook it up to Facebook, to Twitter, to Tumblr. I'm just going to do a caption. So I'm going to tap on where it says write a caption, and then I'm going to put my caption as beautiful sunset. And I'm going to tap on OK. So now I can share this post. And there we go. We have posted to Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about what I've done, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.